In today's video, we're going to be replacing the LEDs that are in the mirrors here on my C55. Now, these should be very similar to any W203. I picked up these two on eBay, but they are real Mercedes. They actually came from a box in the dealership. They were drop shipped to me, and they were like, I don't know, $74 or something. And that's the reason for the code always showing up on your dash that says, hey, your left mirror is bad, your right mirror is bad, and listen to that fast clicking sound, because moisture gets in there, which can mess up the LEDs, as well as I've already taken these off and checked the connections, and they slide together, as you'll see, and I had corrosion on both of them, so we're going to clean those as well today and hopefully get this fixed. It's a pretty easy job, so all you got to do is flex this back. You'll find a clip right in here. There we go. Release that and push the mirror in there. There we go. And just carefully get it right out, and right there, that's where the connector is for the mirror. This has a little bit of corrosion, so we're going to clean that using the good old CRC. I'm going to put a towel around this just so when I spray, don't make a big mess. So I just set it down here on a rag on my workbench, and we have these two little Phillips screws to take out. All right, to take the mirror out here, we're just going to lift up on the connector side and then pull it straight out. And you can see this one here is pretty nasty, and right inside there is actually a little bit of corrosion. Okay, if you want to pause the screen right here, this is the driver's side part number. Here's the passenger side part number. Go ahead and clean off all this, let's see, Florida sand and stuff in here. That way this nice soft seal here actually seals it and keeps water from getting into the connector. Okay, put it in there, just doing the reverse of the operation. Stick this side in first, and then you lever that down, and now I'll put in the two screws. Other than a bad paint job, that looks way better. All right, to put it back on, we're just gonna slide it back on here, and it's pretty easy. Just carefully, and it should clip in just like that. That's it. So I put it on and nothing works. So there's still a problem with the connection, as you can see right now. If I plug it in, pretty much nothing happens. Unless I sit here and kind of play with the connector. You can pop these connectors out, give you a little bit of slack. And if it's not fully plugged in, it's okay. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this connector some more. All right, so you're gonna wanna make sure that your battery's disconnected for this here. So what I'm gonna do is basically spray a little bit of the CRC cleaner, and then I'm gonna use these tweezers. I'm just going to kind of grab on all four sides of each pin, and with the cleaner in there, that should get it clean enough. But I'm just lightly putting a little bit of pressure as I try to clean all these sides. So I'm going to keep doing this until I can plug it in the whole way, just like that. There's no intermittent. I unplug, plug it in. Doesn't matter what I do. Go ahead and put it back in this little hole here and pretend we're sliding on. So basically this is how it connects, and it works perfectly. So I'll reinstall this back in the mirror housing. I have the hazards running, and basically I should be able to just plug this in now, nail it, there we go, latched in, we're good to go. You don't have to reset anything or anything like that. It should just start working. If it doesn't immediately start working, take her back off and try cleaning that connector again. Also, I did try a little piece of 1000 grit sandpaper on the pins, and it really wasn't that effective. So now that's finally fixed.
This month's No Purchase Necessary US only giveaway is live now, and this month it's winner's choice. First choice is a set of expensive, rare, factory W210 E55 floor mats we cleaned in a previous video. Option 2 is $50 US mailed to your door. Option 3 is 3 investment grade 99.99% pure 1 ounce silver Canadian maples made by the Royal Canadian Mint. These investment grade $5 coins are a great thing to have in these crazy times. To enter, all you have to do is leave a comment below with 2 things. 1, tell me which item you would like if you win, and 2, tell me what your favorite Mercedes of all time is. That's it. Easy peasy.